Let's go. The fans are on. Let's go. We're fine.
This is hot air, bro. Hey, man.
That's what it's for.
It's not right.
Oh my God, thank God. I'm so happy. That's all I was like, bro, we literally spent $100 and the fans didn't work. That'd been so funny if that taillight just flew off on the road.
That's what I was saying. I was kind of staying a little bit behind.
So it was hanging?
I didn't have much gas, but I think it just started hanging. It looked okay while you're driving.
Yeah, it was okay. Yeah, but I got the video of that thing flying off, but
okay.
And that's when I.
Oh, that came off.
It just flew out.
Oh no!
Now we need an intake, right? This is the first thing.
That's okay. Yeah. Okay. We're fine. What's up, buddy?
Like mid-sip.
This is sliding weather, dude.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I know.
Dude, I tried sliding right here, like that turned into out of the neighborhood,
Yeah.
and I was too close. Too many bad memories now.
I saw another car like built just like yours, but it was white.
Really?
Same wheels too.
Are you for real?
Yeah. But it didn't have that back skid plate that you have. But I saw it driving the other day. It's like, did Adil get a wrap and not tell us?
Let's go.
Well, Adil, damn. Kevin's just like.
That's what you guys thought without me.
No, we were waiting.
Let's go. Get a grab.
Ah, cracking a cold one in the garage.
Yeah, yeah. Well, that's the only one we unplugged, so.
That one and with the
Well,
top.
on that one, yeah.
I really hope these fans work.
I know.
Okay, they're there.
I'll be so depressed if
It
they
could be
don't.
quite unfortunate.
Yeah, I'll be depressed. Work? Adil has a shield.
My shield's coming apart.
Hey.
That's the antifreeze. That's probably the antifreeze that was on the belt. That's on the,
Yeah, that's water. The fans aren't turning.
They're not turning.
They're not turning.
They're not turning it. But the camshaft sensor.
We can see a bit if they turn on with the.
Well, did you see how fast it turned?
Yeah.
The camshaft sensor worked.
Nope.
No codes. So the camshaft sensor works.
Well, wait,
Nope.
wait for it to like run for a little bit.
It sounds better too. Like, do you notice that? It
Yeah.
sounds better. It
Yeah.
stops right here.
And you can just literally just pull it off.
Nice.
Dad, do you like what we did to the car?
Slight modifications.
This is called fixing it, right, Dad?
Look at how the front of the wheel looks on that side.
Yeah, look at the front of the wheel. Oh. This looks like a legit, like, shit box now. Oh.
To make it a little bit easier.
Ooh, that angle of that dick.
Oh, baby. This?
Yeah.
I'm about to start going gorilla mode.
That's fine. Let me know if you want me to step into. Yeah. Wow. Yeah.
There we go.
I like how the little bulb is there for the light.
Yeah.
That's our turn signal.
Yeah.
No,
it's
that's our
for
side
the,
marker.
The side marker. Okay. We'll save it just in case.
That instantly starts.
Yeah. Just yeah. Oh God. Oh. That's a lot better than when we first came in. I know, that's what I was like, there has to be a higher setting, right? And no.
So after we found out that the radiator fans were working, we went out and took it for a test drive.
No AC.
Hoping that we did not die.
There is AC. There's AC.
There is AC.
That cuts power.
What is that?
I'm just being honest. You haven't earned it. Ain't even worth it. You don't deserve it. I'm just being honest. You haven't earned it. Ain't even worth it.